Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Manzoor. If you want to learn how to create Facebook ads that actually drive traffic and sales, you're in the right place. Whether you're a total newbie or just need a refresher, this step-by-step series will walk you through everything you need to know to set up your first Facebook ads campaign from scratch. Isn't? So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Why Facebook ads? Facebook remains one of the world's largest advertising platforms with a staggering potential reach of 2.28 billion people as of February 2025. This means nearly 28% of the global population and over 41% of all internet users can be reached through Facebook ads. Your potential customers are already scrolling through their feeds, watching videos, and engaging with content daily. With such a massive and diverse audience, Facebook ads allow you to deliver highly targeted messages based on interests, behaviors, demographics, and more, helping you connect with the right people at the right time. Plus, Facebook's advertising system is incredibly powerful and flexible. You can start with a small budget, test different ads, and scale up once you find what works best. This approach helps you reach various segments of your audience, learn who's most likely to take action, and generate consistent traffic and sales. In this series, we'll cover everything you need to know, including how to create a brand new Facebook ads campaign in Ads Manager, choosing the right campaign objective so your ads work towards your specific goals, naming your campaign and understanding special ad categories, how to budget smartly using Facebook's Advantage Campaign Budget feature, deciding where to send your traffic, your website, messenger app, or even phone calls, optimizing your ad delivery to get the best results based on your setup, setting up your audience targeting and placements to reach the right people, creating your actual ad with engaging creative and a strong call to action, overcoming Facebook ads overwhelm. Facebook ads can seem overwhelming at first, all those buttons, options, and terms, but breaking it down step by step makes it manageable and even fun. By following this series, you'll build confidence and skills to create campaigns that actually perform. What you'll need. Before we jump in, here's what you'll need: a Facebook Business Manager account with Ads Manager access, a Facebook page for your business or brand, a clear goal for your campaign, whether it's driving traffic, generating leads, or making sales. Basic assets like images or videos for your ads. And of course, a willingness to learn and experiment. Quick preview of the process. Here's a quick overview of the process we'll follow in the upcoming videos. Create your campaign and pick the right objective. Name your campaign and set your budget. Choose where you want to send your traffic. Optimize your ad delivery for the best results. Set up your audience targeting and placements. Create your ad with compelling creative and copy. Launch and monitor your campaign performance. So that's the roadmap. In the next video, we'll jump right into creating your campaign and choosing the perfect objective to match your goals. If you're excited to get started, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you have any questions or topics you want me to cover, drop a comment below. I read everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we create your first Facebook ads campaign. Let's make those clicks and sales happen.